Solve x raised to the power 1 over 4 is equal to 2. This is Calvince online math. Let us jump right into the solution. So we have x raised to the power 1 over 4. So we write x raised to the power 1 over 4 equals 2. So the first thing is to get rid of this power, the quarter. So we do that by raising both sides of the equation to power 4. So when we do that, 4 and 4 will cancel. So we're left with x power 1, which is just x, and then we have 2 raised to the power 4. So 2 raised to the power 4 is the same as 16, meaning the solution is 16. But then let us check if the solution is true. So we have x raised to the power 1 over 4, so that is 16 raised to the power 1 over 4. And we want to check if that is equal to 2. So we can write 16 as 2 raised to the power 4, and the whole of that is raised to the power 1 over 4, and we check if that will give us 2. So 4 and 4 will cancel, so we have 2 raised to the power 1, which is actually equal to 2, meaning our solution is true. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe and see you in the next video.